Guys, I know when we buy a house, we usually have a home inspection done. It's important to also have a plumber come out, not associated with that, to also take a look at the plumbing. We do a lot more thorough things when we go out and look at a house. One of the things is we check and make sure that everything's flowing in the tubs. Nothing's stopping up. Nothing's gurgling. We usually pull the tanks, take a look inside. We make sure that everything again is flowing like it should. This particular tank looks like the homeowner put like a bleach tablet in it. We try to stay away from using anything like that inside the tank. They do make bleach gel and stuff like that you can put inside the bowl that sticks to the bowl itself. When you put stuff in the tank itself, it eats up the flapper and causes things to start leaking. If you hang something on the side of the bowl, those bleach hangers that hang on the side, those tend to wind up inside the tank, wind up inside the bowl, lodged inside there. We got to pull the bowl and flip it upside down to get it back out. So try to stay away from doing that. Everything seems to be, we check to make sure that there's no rocking. It's secured pretty good.